Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to quickly go over how you can send crypto to your SoFi Crypto account. So what we're going to do first is launch the SoFi app. Then from the homepage of the SoFi app, you want to open up your crypto account page. If you haven't already signed up for a crypto account through SoFi, you're going to need to do that, but I'm going to click here where it says crypto. From the crypto page, you can search for the cryptocurrency that you would like to deposit into SoFi using this little magnifying glass up here. If the crypto isn't available, you're not going to be able to do it. So if you want to see a list of all of the crypto that is available, we can go down here to where it says explore more crypto and then click where it says see all. And again, you can search in this area or you can click here where it says see all. And then from here, you can scroll through to see all of the different coins that are currently available through SoFi. So you can get a look at that. But for this example, let's say I'd like to send over Bitcoin. So I'm going to select the Bitcoin option right here. And then if we scroll down towards the bottom of this page, we can see we have the option to receive, and that's what we want to click on. Then from there, it's going to take us over to a page where we can get that QR code to receive Bitcoin, or if you scroll down, we can see we have the option to copy the Bitcoin address. That's the option that I'm going to use in this example. So I'm going to click copy with my Bitcoin address right there. So clicking copy. And now heading over to the homepage of my smartphone, and I'm going to open up Cash App. That's where I have some Bitcoin that I can send over to SoFi. And this is going to be similar no matter which cryptocurrency you're sending or which application that you're sending it through. You want to get that receiving wallet address, copy it, and then go to the place that you're going to be sending the crypto from. So for me, it's going to be Cash App. And in Cash App, going down here to the bottom left-hand corner to open up this option. And if I scroll down, I can see the Bitcoin that I have in Cash App right here. So I'm going to open that up. And from here, what I'm going to do is click on these little arrows that are right here. These are the sending and receiving arrows. So I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to be sending this Bitcoin over to SoFi. So I'm going to click send. And for this example, I'm going to send all of the Bitcoin that I have available over to SoFi. So I'm going to enter that in here and then click next. And I'm going to paste in that Bitcoin address here at the top. So I've already copied that down. So I'm going to paste in that Bitcoin wallet address that I had gotten over from SoFi. So entering that in, and then I can confirm it right here and then click next. And I can select the withdrawal speed, and I don't need this to show up right away. So I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and just do the standard option and then click next. You can check over everything to make sure that it looks good, and this Bitcoin should arrive within 24 hours. And again, this is the free option to send the Bitcoin, so it's going to take a little bit longer. I could have paid to have it sent quicker, but I don't need it right away, so I'm just going to do the free option. So then I can click here where it says confirm and send. And I have initiated the withdrawal of Bitcoin from Cash App, and that's going to be sent over to SoFi, so I'm going to click done. So now I no longer have that Bitcoin in Cash App, and now I'm going to head back over to SoFi and wait for this transaction to go through. So it's now the next day, and I can see in my assets that Bitcoin is now there. And actually, it can show up even earlier in your pending transactions. If you scroll down to your activity, you'll get your transactions in this area. And I saw that the Bitcoin transfer was pending in here for a little bit of time before it was officially posted and showing up in my assets. And that's going to wrap this one up. So I hope this video is helpful going over how you can send crypto assets over to your SoFi account. I appreciate you guys stopping by, and thanks for watching.